Okay, just ran a load through here and moved those clothes over to the dryer, which I'll show you here in just a sec. But I didn't get a chance to come over here while they were in it. So I just want to show you real quick, little tutorial. This thing is nice, clean. It is a Super Plus capacity Maytag. And so what we're going to do is we're just going to fire it up here. Let's put it on cold, doesn't really matter. Extra rinse off, end of cycle, it's got on or off, and then Super Plus. And it'll fill up. This is the style. It does use full capacity washer. You can throw the clothes in and the soap in as it's filling up. Just show you here. Go cold or hot water. Doesn't matter what you put that on. All the rinses are going to be cold, and that has to do with getting all the soap out and everything. So you can control these auto temps or just straight cold. And essentially it would fill all the way up, and we click over here to the rinse cycle. And then it's gonna auto, doesn't matter what you have it on here, you can put it on hot. This water for the rinse cycle is still gonna be nice and cold. And that'll fill all the way up to rinse, and what I'll do is just put it on the spin. Let you see and hear that it goes into that spin cycle. Does an excellent job. So it drains out all the water, drain works, everything on it works perfectly. It spins real fast, it's nice and quiet. Try to keep these videos short, but I want you to get a real good feel for how it sounds and how it operates and that everything does work. So there it's at its full spin speed. And if you lift this up, it'll put the brakes on and shut it down and start right back up. I'll go ahead and show you the dryer. I've got the clothes already moved over, so we'll switch over and let you hear that. Alright, now we have those clothes moved over to the dryer. Get a nice full load there, and I'm going to show you that it sounds good, runs good, and of course heats. So. See, it's got a nice stable run. Pretty heavy load too. It's not shaking or wobbling or anything like that. With my little heat gun here, I'll show you it does in fact heat. So right down here, and I'll shoot that in the heating element tube. Plenty of heat coming out of there. Of course, the longer it goes, it'll get up a little hotter than that. Then the inside temperature will get anywhere from 95 all the way up to 195. It depends on what setting you have it on. So plenty of heat coming out of there. Okay, we'll get those push back in, and and I don't even have it on the highest heat. So there you go, highest heat. You got your cycle signal here. I just have it on time drive, but you can put it over on auto drive if you want. However you want to do it. So there you have it. Works good, sounds good, and we'll go ahead and get these touched up and listed for sale. If you have any questions, please reach out. I appreciate you taking time to watch this video. Thanks.